Hey guys, this is Vicky with Southern Cross Recreations. I'm going to show you how to make really cute firecrackers. These are little wood pieces that I picked up. They're just scrap wood. I'm really not sure what they used for. I used royal blue paint and apple red. And then what I did is I just painted down. Now you can use scrap pieces of wood for this and then take a drill and just drill you a tiny hole in it. And I'm going to show you how to do the wick and everything on them. Again, these, I just found a box of them actually at a yard sale, and I just knew I could craft with them. But just kind of, you can use Jenga blocks, you can use just scrap piece of wood, anything. It's just an idea, and you just kind of take it and go with it. Okay, so I just painted. Now this blue was not wanting to cover this piece because it was kind of a gray weathered, but it came out really cute once it dried. And then what I did is, I like to kind of scuff things up. So I took my little hand sander and I went ahead and did each one of the edges. Now this is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It comes with like little pieces of the sandpaper that you can change out. If you want the link, just message me about it. Just, say sander and I will get the link for you. And then this is raffia. Now the reason I'm using raffia is these holes were already pre-drilled. Again, like I said, I'm not really sure what they were used for, but they're very big. And so I needed something to put down in there in order for my wick to stay, because my wick was not the width of this hole. So all I did is I just placed it down in there and then used my barbecue skewer and then hot glued it down in there. Now this is the placemat. That's rice paper. We've used this many times. These will probably be out again at Hobby Lobby. Again, I love placemats because there's a lot of material and you can just craft over and over and over with them. So I'll show you how this placemat is. It's like paper, and then we're going to leave it rolled up. And then this is going to be our wick for this. How cute is that? Now, if you don't have this actual placemat, you can use a piece of rope. Dollar Tree has rope. You can undo the rope and actually use a piece of that. You can use a clothesline from Dollar Tree. I've used those before for different crafts, and they're white. Anyway, there's just so many different things you can use, but this is what I had, and I love this placemat. And like I said, just check your Hobby Lobby because these were out. I actually got these, I think last year, around about this time in the spring collection. So make sure you grab some up and put them back to craft with, because we'll be using these throughout the year. But look how cute these came out. Okay, then the next step is I'm going to take this ticking fabric. I love the stripes on this, and it's perfect for 4th of July. It's also perfect for Christmas. So this I got at Hobby Lobby as well. And I just, did about a 1/2 inch and then went ahead and just cut it. Now this blue and white, blue and cream ticking was a little bit too wide, and you'll see me go ahead and cut that down. But what I wanted to do is glue these two together and kind of make a just like how firecrackers come in a pack and they're kind of like together and you pull them apart. That was my thinking behind this. And then here is where I said that the ticking was a little bit too wide. And I apologize if you hear cars. I'm actually videoing this in the car waiting on my husband. So hopefully you don't hear them. And then what you do is, what I did is I just cut these in half, and then because like I said, I cut it a little bit too wide for it. Okay, and then I just wrapped it around both of the firecrackers, and then just tied it in a knot. And like I said, these are perfect. They're small enough that they're perfect for a tier tray. My other thought for these is you could do these as place settings. Like if you're having a 4th of July barbecue and you wanted to maybe do some kind of, thank you for coming kind of thing. These could be placed at each place setting, or in a basket. You can make a bunch of these and put them in a basket and do, you know, like a little hang tag on them with whatever, you know, you wanted to. And I just thought these were really cute and very inexpensive. And again, you could use Jenga blocks for these. It'd be a lot smaller. You could glue them together tall ways and you know, in height. And then what you could do is where the seams for the Jenga blocks are, you could put the ribbon and you would never see that. So there's different ways that you can do this. And then what I did is I just tied a little bow. And then of course, you know, I know you guys always get, you know, hear me say this and probably get tired of me saying this, but it's all in the details. So we are going to make a little bitty hang tag for our firecracker bundle. And so what I did is I grabbed my paper towel roll, and I did this one about the same as I do my bigger ones, but obviously on a very smaller scale. Now this would also be, now for the bigger tags, paper or toilet paper roll is too small, but the toilet paper rolls are great for tags this size as well. Okay, and so what I did is obviously did my little tag. Now the stamps that I normally use are, you know, obviously too big for this. So I just hand wrote the word boom on it. And then obviously you could write whatever you wanted to. And then I just did some little like stars right there just for fireworks kind of effect. And again, like I said, this would be super cute to make a bunch of these in a basket and then have them as, you know, take home for your family members or, you know, whoever you have at your 4th of July party. How cute is that? Okay, then I took my smaller twine because the bigger one was, you know, it's too thick. This is actually, you can find this in the wrapping section at different places. I'm not sure if Hobby Lobby has this. I know Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, I'm sorry, Dollar General has this, is where I pick this up. Okay, and then you're just going to slip it through, and then you're just going to tie a knot in it. And then once you get it tied, then what I did is I took some hot glue and then hot glued the tag to the front of the firecrackers. But I want to take a minute just to thank you guys for being on my page. Thank you so much for passing things down the road, which means share, like, and comment. And if you want any supply list for this, just message me supplies and I'll get that to you. And then also the little sander, if you want the link for that, just message sander and I'll get it to you. But how cute did these come out, y'all? So super simple. And again, they're just scrap pieces of wood. And again, you can also use Jenga blocks, so don't, you know, let me know if you get creative with those. Again, thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next time. For more, you can visit southerncrossrcreations.com.